I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blower motor in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the negative battery terminal is disconnected for safety. You'll need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a small socket set, likely a 7mm socket. Having a flashlight can also be very helpful to see into tight spaces under the dashboard. To begin, open your glove box and remove everything inside. You'll typically find 3 screws along the top edge of the glove box opening. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the glove box assembly forward and down. This will reveal the area where the blower motor is located, usually on the passenger side, beneath the dashboard. Now that you have access, locate the electrical connector attached to the blower motor. Press the tab and carefully pull the connector straight off. Next, you'll see 3 small tabs or screws holding the motor in place. Twist the entire motor assembly counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. Once it's loose, you can gently pull the old motor straight down and out. With the old motor removed, take your new blower motor and align its tabs with the openings. Push it up into place and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly to the new motor. Finally, reattach your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Turn on your ignition and test the fan speeds to ensure everything is working correctly before reassembling the glove box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.